Vietnam Zippo lighters, soldier engraved. We have one example. Vietnam, Tan Son Nuit AB, Saigon. Soldier engraved, Zippo lighter. Dependable, reliable. Zippo lighter. How old is this? Let's take a look. Zippo. You can see the lines. The lines tell the date. Zippo. Vietnam. Let's take a look inside. There's the inside portion. You can see older style of writing. Zippo. US made lighter. Still works. All you need is flint and fuel. Let's take a look here. Vietnam, Bien Hoa, 6869. There's an emblem stuck on here. This will defend. Looks like some kind of military unit. If you can see that. On the back, we have some poetry. Soldier poetry from Vietnam. How old is this? Let's take a look. Zippo. Vertical lines indicate how old it is. Zippo. Let's look inside. Older style. As you can see, the insert. Very old lighter. Vietnam War. In the 60s and 70s, quite a few soldiers carried Zippo lighter. There's the reassuring sound, the flip, close. Vietnam Zippo lighters. Let's take a closer look. Vietnam Zippo. Usually engraved either by the soldier or by various Vietnamese workshops in the area that bought these lighters and decorated them and then sold to soldiers. Or a soldier could go to the workshop and ask for different designs or decorations. There's the back. Once again, soldier poetry at its finest, talking about falling in love in Vietnam. Vietnam lighters, Zippo.